As today we're going to show you how to install the skid plate set on the new Kodiak. And first we will start with the main plate. Click on. You can just take these two 6mm bolts, just hand put them in. Okay, now that we're at that part, we'll take the clamps and they go in just like so. Very easy. You want to get under this wire on the frame right here. And remember, it's a good idea to leave all the bolts loose until you've got them all in. Okay, now that we all have those on hand tight, we will take the lower rear plate and do the same thing with it. Okay. Okay, now since we got that all in place, since this is not connected to any other plates, we can go ahead and tighten it down. And there we go. There's our main body plates all installed. Now we'll start with the A-arms. Same process here. Just get all the bolts put in loosely before you tighten anything down. Now start to tighten them down. But there's one important thing you want to make sure of after you get these tightened down, is you want to make sure you have the proper clearance for your brake lines, and your brake caliper and all that. Okay, after you get the first two tightened, you can tip the wheel, make sure that brake line doesn't run into anything. And then you can finish tightening it up. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to install a rear one. See how it goes. Anything very simple. Okay, on this one you're going to have some long bolts to go through the frame right there with a nylock nut on the back side. Oh, there we go. Let me get the clamp in here. I actually find it a little easier to put these rear ones on when it's down on the ground. There we go. I'll actually tighten those up when I drop the machine down. Much easier on that rear ones. Okay, now let's put some floorboards. Now first you must remove the stock bolts that hold the floorboards on. I'll move those real quick. One more here. Okay, now we'll go ahead and tighten these down snug. Then on the back side of these, you have a nut and a washer. And these nuts on the back side, you don't want to tighten them down too tight because they'll pull into the plastic a little too much. So just nice and snug is adequate. Okay. Now we just repeat the same thing to finish it up. There you have it, the full Kodiak armor.